the National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a flash flood warning for Cole County in central Missouri, Osage County in central Missouri, until 1 o'clock p.m. Central Daylight Time at 7:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Train weather spotters reported slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. A storm spotter reported flash flooding 5 miles west of Jefferson City. Small streams were out of their banks and were flowing swiftly over roads. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Jefferson City, Lynn, Mercado, Centertown, Shania, Freeburg, Hickory Hill, Richmond and Russellville Street, Martins, St. Thomas, Taos, Wardsville and West Phalia. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Do not attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or by automobile. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, as well as farmland along the banks of creeks and streams. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers a roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Do not underestimate the power of flood waters. Only a few inches of rapidly flowing water can quickly carry away your vehicle. Turn around. Don't drown.